Hello online world! Welcome back again to our quick editing tutorial. For this video, I'll be teaching you to remove image background using Photoshop. Pag na-open mo na, hanapin mo yung picture na i-edit mo, yung tatanggalan mo ng background, and you click the properties. And when you open the properties, go to quick actions. Pag wala doon yung remove background, pwede kang pumunta sa help button. Search remove background. Minsan nag-a-appear yung remove the background from an image, but hindi ito yung gagamitin natin. We are going to choose yung mismong remove background only na option. So the remove background, you click it and wait for it to respond. Sending subjects to remove the background, and there you have it. Titignan natin. Ayan, see that? It's already removed. You already have your PNG picture. This is the easiest way. Salamat sa panonood. Thank you for watching and mabuhay. Keep safe everyone.